know that not all learning institutions and not all courses in Canada qualifies you for postgraduate work permit after you are done with your graduation? Today, I want us to look at how to check whether your course or the institution that you are going to learn, once you are done with your course, you are eligible for postgraduate work permit. So you just go to Google, you search for canada.ca. Then once it opens like this, you get this template. You click on, or you go to the search button and you type in designated learning institute or institution. Designated learning institute or institution. Then you click on the search button as shown there. Then afterwards, you just click here and you get it will just open the page where you search for all the provinces that we have in Canada. So as said, you need to know that not all institutions that you are going to learn, not all the programs that you are reading after you are done with your course, you qualify for postgraduate work permit. So it is better that you watch this video and search for yourself. Maybe an agent did the application for you. You need to know whether you qualify or you don't qualify. Now we are starting with Alberta. You can see that all these schools, they don't qualify for postgraduate work permit. As seen from the right side, offers postgraduate work permit eligible program. So here you can see that it's only Alberta Bible College, and that provide you postgraduate work permit where you have the yes. And even the yes, he said details. Then here it means that all these courses qualify you for postgraduate work permit. Any other course that are learned in this institution, you don't qualify for postgraduate work permit. Then when you come here at Athabasca, I think I've made a video about the institution. Almost all the courses there, you qualify for postgraduate work permit. When you come to Broman University too, you qualify for postgraduate work permit. Now here we move on to British Columbia. So British Columbia, you can see that all these institutions, as seen here, they don't qualify you for postgraduate work permit, except Acadia College. With Acadia, I think most of the courses that they do there are related to aviation, and with that you need to conform to some rules banning aviation in aviation schools in Canada. That is Acadia College. So you see that you have next, you have previous. You can just search it on your own, or even type where they have the search IRCC to get exactly your school. You can just search exactly your school and you will find it there, and you will see whether the courses there, once you are done with the course, you qualify for postgraduate work permit. So all these institutions are in British Columbia. All these institutions that you see here are in British Columbia. Then from there we moved on to Quebec. For Quebec, it is a French province. That is with that province, all the courses there that they do are mostly in French. So it's only in French you can. It is not advisable that you try going to study in Quebec. So all the courses, you see that I find details, or details. All the courses there. So if you have French background, you can just try with Quebec. Some of the courses too, they offer them in English, but most of the courses that are done in Quebec are done in French. So you should be you should be aware of this before applying for any institution that is in Quebec. Then we move on to Manitoba. For Manitoba, most of the courses there, most of the institutions there, they offer postgraduate work permit. Most of the institutions that we have in British Columbia, Manitoba, they offer postgraduate work permit. So you should be aware of all these provinces. You can search on it. Yukon, you can Prince Edward Island, whatever. You can search on it, and if you also need any assistance pertaining to these kinds of applications, in admission assistance, in whatever assistance that you will need, don't forget to email us. Thank you.